Welcome back to another tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to add your PayPal account to eBay. Firstly, open your eBay app. There you can see the option of My eBay. Tap on it. Scroll little down. There you can see the option of Payment. Tap on it. There you can see the option of Add Cards and Account. Tap on it. Then you can see over there it's written what will you use this payment method for. You can choose accordingly which method you want. I will tap on checkout. There you can see the option of PayPal, credit card, debit card or Venmo. Tap on PayPal. Here you can see the option of login. Enter your credentials. Then enter your passwords. Then you'll be connected with your PayPal account to your eBay account. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube